Last 1 minute and 50 seconds. 84-85. Dizon. Dizon pa rin. Dizon tuloy-tuloy. Pinasa kay Brahim. Kung Paglinawan. Paglinawan. Liap. It's good. 2 points. 86-85. Dasira bumawi. 2 points. 87-86. Paglinawan. Paglinawan. Side step. May foul. 87-86 in favor of Balders. Just lang. Paglinawan. Paglinawan tumira ng 3. 3 points. Paglinawan. 89-87. Nabaulag 2 points ang Jasmart. Jacinto. Paso, tundukan, bumawi. No good. Rebound by Gazira. Guided by Dizon. Gazira. Pinasayaw si Dizon. Gazira by foul. Basket count, Gazira. 88-89. Last 50 seconds. 1 point lead, Jasmart. 88-89 in favor of Jasmart. Gazira connect. Half-block score, 89 all. Dizon. Dizon to Gaslang. 2 points. 91-89. 4 point lead, Jasmart. Gloria to Gazira. Steal. Almost steal. Agawa ng bola. Jacinto. Gabion. 2 points. Tablang score. 91 all. Foul. May foul. Last 18 seconds. 91 parehas. 91 all. May free throw si Dizon. Connect. 92-91. Dizon. Last throw by Dizon. Connect. 91-93. Gloria for the tie. Block. 4.7 seconds. 91-93. Gloria. Naghahanap ng kapasahan. Lepasa ni Gaslang. Napasa kay Gaslang. Foul. 1 point. 94-91. 3 point lead. Jasmart. Last 3.5 seconds. 91-94. Wala. Jacinto. And winner, Jasmart. 94-91. What a nice game. Jasmart.
This is my day.
Champion.